Good morning, children. We are studying about the history of the Jagrati school, isn't it? History of the Jagrati school, how they built their wall of the Jagrati school, and what are the patterns they choose and made. These are different types of patterns we already learned. Now we are going to study about the Jali pattern. We are going to study about Jali pattern, that pattern on they made on the wall. That pattern, what are the Jali pattern? We can look here. Take page number 6, children. In page number 6, there are two photos already given there. Two photos already given there. In that photos, we can see different types of Jali pattern already there. We can see different types of Jali pattern from these two photos we can see. Which are they, children? Look here. This one is this type is the Jali pattern. That Jali pattern on the wall. On the wall of the school. The masons who built Jagrati school had also made different Jali patterns on the wall. Different Jali patterns on the wall. Look here. These are the different types of Jali patterns on the wall. Look here. First one, this one. This is the first Jali pattern. That is a one type of Jali pattern. And second one, look here. Second one, that is another way. And third is like this. And fourth one. And fifth one. And this one is the same as this. And this also same as this. This one is same as this. Okay. So five different types of Jali pattern we can see in the two photos. First one, this one is one type, another one, and third one, fourth one, fifth one. Five types of Jali pattern already given there. We can see how is doing that. One is simple way. Look here. One is like this. They arranged the bricks on that way. They arranged that bricks on that way. When they are arranging the bricks on the way, their holes also see the. That is because of that arranged the form of arrangement like that. Okay. Yes. Then next one. This one is the Jali pattern. One type of Jali pattern, children. Yes. Then same way under that also two rows, isn't it? Two lines you can see the. In between four corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. In between one also the same way they arranged the bricks on that way. Then holes already we can see. Yes, look here. One type is like that, and another one is another way. Look here, children. The first one you look the how is made that. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Likewise, here also. Gap in between that. Okay. Then in between 3 also. This one is one pattern. One pattern means this one is the pattern. This one is the pattern. One is like this, and this one is the one pattern, and this pattern is like this. Okay. Then another pattern also. Yes, another pattern is like this, and here also. This means that 3, like this way. That is this way. And here means here 1, 2, 3, likewise. Okay. That is another way or another pattern of jali, like this. Okay. This one is the another pattern. So different types of jali patterns. And next one, how many different types of jali patterns can you see in these two photos, children? There are 5 jali patterns you can see in this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the 5 patterns of the jali. Look here, children. This is a drawing of another beautiful jali. That is another jali pattern. We can see that is a sign of addition, isn't it? Add beautiful jali. And now color here. You can. This one is the wall of a Jagrati school. And now color this one another for you. That's a work done for to do the work for you. And now color some bricks red and make your own jali pattern in the wall drawn below. You can here you can make your own jali pattern, another jali pattern you can make it here, and you can give red color for that. Okay. And next one, can you see the window? That window, Jaroka. That is a Jaroka pattern. Window is in Jaroka pattern in this photo of the school. And how is doing that? Look at children. Jaroka pattern. Jaroka pattern. This Jaroka pattern is like this. Yes, this one is the Jaroka pattern. Yes, okay. And after that you can shade it with the black color. You can give black color. That is inside. That is a step writer. Yes, this one is the Jaroka pattern on the window. Jaroka pattern on the window on the wall. Okay. This one is the Jaroka pattern. That is another pattern. Another wall pattern that is on the window. Look here. Can you see the window Jaroka in this photo of the school? Okay. And now draw some Jaroka patterns on the wall. Here you can shade it black. You can draw here one Jaroka pattern. You can draw it here, and after that you can shade it with black. That is shade it with black. So that is a homework. Okay. This one is the jali patterns and Jaroka patterns. That is 5 different types of jali patterns already given here, and Jaroka pattern here. Okay. And so how is arranging that bricks, arranging on that way. Okay. Then you can do it the homework. Then you can do it this jali pattern. You can jali pattern and Jaroka pattern. You can do it in your assignment time, children. Class assignment time you can do it. Okay. Class assignment time. Page number 9. You draw your own jali pattern. Draw jali pattern. 1, 2. Draw Jeroka pattern. Jeroka pattern on the wall. On the wall, that is page number 9, children. Page number, that space is already given there. Page number 7. In page number 7, jali pattern you can draw it here, and Jeroka pattern, this Jeroka pattern you can draw it here, and it also you have to give shade also, and here you can give red color for that. Okay, then red color, now color some bricks red and make your own jali pattern. Okay, and next you have to study the multiplication table 2 and 3 that you already, I think that you already learned in the vacation time, isn't it? So you have to study it again, multiplication table 2 and 3 for tomorrow. Table 2 and 3. Okay, bye children.